Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to block quick settings on Samsung lock screen. So to do that, navigate to your settings, and once you are there, scroll down until you find lock screen and AOD. Head over there. Now here you will find several options, and as you can see, there is secure lock settings is not enabled, and this feature is not in my Samsung UI right now, so I can't show you. But if it was here, you can find it in lock screen and AOD, and you have to enable network, lock network, and security. And then you can just this will just require a passcode or a PIN when attempting to access or modify network settings like your Wi-Fi mobile data from the lock screen. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. I'm sorry I couldn't show you because I am currently using One UI 15 and it does not have that possible option in here. But if your one has that in your variant, you can try this out. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.